guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Come here.
Now we're picking up the fridge.
Oh, a caravan in Bin Unido. Look at that. You have to do a picture. So here, then you have to look at this also, Jasmine. One picture for the rest.
We get a look at giraffe. Can we go on the stairs?
Yeah, this is the one.
This is the one.
We choose. Yeah, oh, English. And then, oh, yeah. Ano na gamay mo dati Lisa?
So sir, you gotta speak English a little bit.
Panasonic, gamay ra kung ana sa Lisa mga Panasonic. And this is. Yeah, ang down payment is only 1,000. Kuya Ete. Tira tinisa, okay na niya oh. Ako mag-sold. Oh.
Grabe.
Oh, 10,000. Look at the price of this.
The smallest one.
The smallest ref. And here is
This one is nice, mom. Let's look at inside.
This is Panasonic, but how was this? Ah, the
Bottom freezer, ma'am. The bottom freezer.
This is the new
Oh, sorry.
Panasonic type bottom freezer. You have lamat ya. So you just have to. Hindi mo ma-adjust no, touch screen na. You have to touch the screen. But the price also is very nice. Look at the price, Jasmine. Price is 32,982.
82.
So you go far that you can see inside here. It's very nice.
This where you put the veggies.
No, the veggies is here.
No, look.
Oh no,
See
Oh.
veggies.
the veggies that is here.
We have also the prime fresh additional features, ma'am, for your food.
For your,
That range for 1 week. You can store your
let's say if you cook some
Meat.
yes, ready to cook, ma'am. No need to defrost your meat.
Oh really? That's not. This is good.
She know how to speak English.
Yeah,
oh.
that's good. So this is sir.
43 inches.
This is sir. What is your name, sir?
What is your name?
I'm Sam from Panasonic in charge.
Panasonic. Yeah. So we will get this one. We will get this one. This one. Hi!
That's our friend, Ate Palang.
Shout out pa lang.
Ate,
Yes.
pinagkuhan TV.
Oh, you go in the house. Wala pa na putos.
She is asking for present.
You group picture that they have also here a motorbike.
Nay, Juan, this ato, high
We're doing vlog. Say hi to Ate Palang. Palang, shout out.
Shout out Ate Irene.
Shout out Palang.
32 inches.
Mom, which one are we gonna buy?
This is we're gonna buy this one.
Oh, so this is the biggest. Ah, very nice. Ah, this is where you put your eggs. Very nice, Mom.
Mag-vlog.
Vlog sa kumilot.
And there's some aircon too.
Yeah, you want to.
Kali, ma'am, ato i... Ikaw mo discuss.
She's gonna discuss me on how to use this freezer. So you just have to. Oh,
We have here the prime cooling plus for the food that you store. The additional features.
yeah.
And you can store there the what kind of this?
Oh,
Then the fruit, the sausage.
sausage. I don't know what is this too. Maybe cans. Can.
And
I don't. So it will not be freeze.
I think there's a beer can.
Ah yeah, very can I think.
then we have also here the fresh safe.
For the what is for that?
Ma'am,
For the-
this
for
this
your
is what you
eggs
make
and
an
fruits.
ice cube.
Oh yeah. Ice cube.
This one here is the ice cube.
So where are you gonna
You can
put the ice
put the
cube?
ice cube in the freezer compartment.
This is the eggs.
How about this one? Bottles their side too.
Yes, for the frozen product, frozen meat.
All frozen here.
This
This side.
compartment.
Compartment.
This one is the fridge compartment.
Okay.
You can store here up to 100 grams.
100 grams.
100 kilos.
100 kilos. 100 grams is very small. So that's 100 kilos. So,
Then, first one you make, ma'am, you can set freezer max. For up to 1 to 2 days.
1 to 2 days.
Yes, after 1 to 2 days, then you have to set normal.
Okay. So
same,
now,
same as here. You have also here.
Max.
max
Then,
first.
You
Then
can,
after
you can adjust.
3 days or
you can minimize your control.
3 days or 2 days?
After 3 days, depends on the storage.
How
Okay.
many is the the storage inside the ref?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me told me also that Jasmine that you have to max first.
This
So
unit is
when I
automatic defrost. No need to defrost.
so nothing to press if we have to defrost it, nothing.
No, ma'am.
Nothing. No.
Nothing
So
to
automatic
press.
defrost.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Then if you have to, if you want to the outlet direct to the main outlet,
Direct
no need to use extension.
extension.
Mm.
When she talk, Jasmine, you have to look at. You have to also include her face. Because our ref. We have also an aircon there, but we don't use this.
No, this is a cover aircon.
No, this is only model.
Mock-up.
Very nice. 24,299.
Focus.
Oh, this is the real price.
Aircon, mahal no.
Kani ma'am, na by tinaybi.
Amakan mo to mo Wala may nagkuan. Sa unang aircon mo bitin
Kani
na
inverter po na. Ito labi ba dyan?
Ulit ang kuan. Look at here also Jasmine have washing machine no. Jasmine.
We gotta look at the washing machine. Oh, look. Let's see.
Yes, ma'am. Rent type para sa ala ninyo, ma'am.
Ah, ma'am, it's only 11,000, ma'am. Oh. Okay, let's look at the aircon.
It's a native like a shade only.
This is the aircon. I don't know if you can see it, but
Just we have to take a picture on the aircon.
yeah, look. 45, 41.
So where we gonna pay?
Left the ballpen.
Nahog.
Okay, mom is gonna fill up some.
Dara picture link.
Oh yeah, ako no kay ako anak ko tanan yuta ako kuno sa iya.
Mom, gonna sign up.
You not too close to me. You do picture there, not on here. Jasmine.
About the motorbike.
Ako motorbikes go there in the motorbike.
Okay, we gotta look at the motorbike. Wow, this is nice. Oh wow. Cash is 63,000. The down payment is 5,000. And the 3 months, this one, the 3 months, 20,367. 6 months is 11,342. Oh, this one's nice. This. Very nice. Look at that. Oh, this is nice too. Nice and blue color. Blue colored motorbike. That's the wheels. Yamaha motorbike. Wow, 3 months is 18,000. Oh, this is nice. Look, super white and shiny. And this is, I think, Suzuki. Oh no, it doesn't say here. Oh, it's in the city. Cash is 59 and 500. That's all the motorbike. Big series. There's the fish shop. That's where they sell the fish. Okay, we get a look at our fridge. Okay, let's go up and look at the fridge. This is the fridge. This is Panasonic. Is more stars and higher rating mean more saving. This is nice, this one.
Say nga sa inyong vlog lang ka. Say nga sa inyong vlog.
Island Girl.
Ang page.
Huh?
Say nga sa inyong page.
Island Girl Vlog.
Ha?
Island Girl Vlog.
Island Girl.
Vlog. The inside, very nice. Let's see what's this in the back. Oh, that's the extension lead. Ano man ni siya? What is this?
Control. Ano na yung control?
Pindot to ni. The aircon. There's mom right there signing up the papers. Okay, we gotta go for a while. I'm just gonna stop this video for a while because I'm just waiting for mom. Welcome back. Yes.
Live na karon na live.
Yeah, I have a question for you. What is the warranty of this?
The warranty is 2 years warranty, factory defect.
Oh, 2 years.
Ay, you found it.
We forgot that this was ours. So this one, the warranty of this is 2 years warranty. Very nice. I like this one much better, but she already took that. Okay, see you later.
Sa address niyo, ma'am? Sa address
See
niyo,
you
ma'am?
later. So we're gonna buy fish. See you there. Bye.